Alright, welcome back. Took a little break for a little while. Had Easter and just took a little break, getting ready for weekend, next weekend, Fruit Machine Nationals. We call that Hell Week to get ready, but we'll get on that another time. A friend of mine brought his truck over for once a year cleaning. Sometimes he does twice. We're gonna get her all cleaned up, brought back around. And there's a lot of traveling, a lot of camping, so get her cleaned up and ready to go for camping season. Not too bad. Shouldn't take too long. Kind of stays on top of it. Probably a short video. It's raining on and off here today. It ain't too bad on the inside. Do a quick look. Ain't too bad. Ain't too bad at all. It stays on top of it. Alright. Here, we'll do a little before video and check in. So, alright. Take a video when it's done, and I got another one on the way, so probably 2 of them this weekend. So, alright, well, check in later on.